every single person on this planet, from billionaires to students, from athletes to homemakers, gets the same 24 hours in a day. But why is it that some people achieve extraordinary success while others struggle just to get through? The secret isn't in having more time. It's in managing the time we already have. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a complete roadmap on how to manage your 24 hours effectively. Time is the only resource that's equally distributed to everyone. Money can be earned, health can be rebuilt, relationships can be mended. But time, once lost, never comes back. You cannot save it, you cannot borrow it, and you cannot buy more of it. That's why managing your 24 hours isn't just about productivity, it's about designing your life. Before we dive into tips and strategies, let's make one thing clear. Time management is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters more. You don't need to fill your day with hundreds of tasks. Instead, you need 1. What is truly important to you? 2. What brings you closer to your goals? 3. What wastes your time without adding value? Once you develop this mindset, you will realize managing 24 hours is not a burden, it's an opportunity. Let's structure your 24 hours like a pie chart. Here's a simple way to break it down. Sleep, 6 to 8 hours, non-negotiable. Your body and mind need rest. Without proper rest, your body and mind couldn't allow you work proper. We are human beings, not a machine. Work study, 8 to 10 hours. This is where you focus on your career, business, or education. Self-growth, 2 to 3 hours. Learning, exercising, meditation, skill building. Family and relationships, 2 to 3 hours. Time with loved ones. Leisure relaxation, 1 to 2 hours. Recharge, hobbies, entertainment. How you start your day defines how you end it. Then, the most successful people in the world have one thing in common. They value their mornings. Here's a powerful morning formula. Wake up early. Even 30 minutes earlier gives you an edge. Move your body. Exercise or stretch to activate energy. Feed your mind. Read, meditate, or journal. Plan your day. Write down the 3 most important tasks you want to accomplish. Remember this: if you win the first hour of the day, you win the entire day. Here's where most people fail. They try to do everything in one day. That only leads to frustration. Instead, follow the 3 big tasks rule. Every morning, write down the top 3 tasks that matter the most. These are not small errands, but big, meaningful tasks that move you forward. Focus on finishing them before you get distracted with emails, social media, or entertainment. If you complete these 3 tasks daily, in 1 year, you'll have accomplished over 1,000 significant steps toward your dreams. Now, your biggest enemy, distraction. Think about it. How many hours are lost scrolling endlessly, binge-watching, or overthinking? Those hours add up. Here are some ways to fight distractions. 1. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 2. Put your phone away while working. Out of sight, out of mind. 3. Use focused work blocks. 25 to 50 minutes of deep work, followed by a 5-minute break. 4. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Remember, every time you waste 10 minutes, you're stealing from your future self. D. Managing 24 hours is not about rigid scheduling. It's about building powerful habits. Habits are your autopilot. They save energy and keep you consistent. Some life-changing habits include daily reading, 15 to 30 minutes, journaling or gratitude writing, exercise, even if it's just 20 minutes, planning the next day before sleeping. Over time, habits come. Small actions daily lead to massive results. Time management is also energy management. What's the use of having 24 hours if you're tired, stressed, or mentally drained. Eat clean foods. Avoid junk that makes you sluggish. Exercise. Energy creates more energy. Sleep well. A tired brain can't focus. Take short breaks. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing can reset your mind. Protect your energy, and you'll protect your time. At the end of each day, spend 10 minutes reflecting. What did I achieve today? What distracted me? What can I improve tomorrow? This simple reflection turns every day into a learning experience. Remember, success is not built in years, it's built in days. Manage your days well, and life takes care of itself. Every one of us gets the same 24 hours. The difference lies in how we use them. While some waste their time in regret or distraction, others invest it in growth, love, and purpose. Ask yourself, what do you want your 24 hours to say about you? Will they tell a story of wasted opportunities? Or will they reflect discipline, passion, and success? The choice is yours. The clock is ticking, but it's not against you. It's reminding you that every moment counts. Remember, you don't manage time, you manage yourself. When you respect your 24 hours, life will reward you with more than you ever imagined. Remember, time is life. Make your 24 hours meaningful. Until next time, stay focused, stay inspired, and keep moving forward.